We can also use a bow spring line to dock out. So in this case, we are removing the middle line first. Then we're going to remove the stern line. And of course, as the last one, it's going to be our bow spring line. So this is going to be our pivot point, and it's going to be our last point in case we have a boat in front of us, and we want to make sure we don't hit the boat in front of us, especially if the wind is pushing you forward, as in this case. So throttle goes forward, helm goes to the right, and keep it like that. Keep throttle forward engaged, keep the helm to the right all the time until the boat opens enough so you can reverse out. At the moment you're ready to reverse out, make sure you go neutral first, then remove bow spring line, and then reverse out. So this is a moment of reversing out. Bow spring line comes in, helm goes to the middle, and we're reversing all the way until we're clear from the other boats. Keep going like this until you are completely away from everybody else.